to serve you. Jobon Creation specialist in Punjabi wedding suits. Address lot number 1.18, first floor, City One Plaza, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Contact number 01921506883. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are standing here in City One Plaza, and the shop name is Jobon Creation specialist in Punjabi wedding dresses. So today the representative is Musab is standing with us. So we are here for now about which suit you are offering to your customers and which dress is famous in this shop.
Yeah, we do have so many dresses here. First of all, I can tell you that we are specialists in wedding langas, wedding trail dresses we have, and wedding anarkalis, especially for the wedding for the Punjabis customers, and for the wedding for the Indians we have, and so all for the Muslim dresses also we have, and we have some other party wear langas and party wear lachas we have. For the men's we have the wedding sherwanis and the wedding kurtas and engagement dresses for the men's we have, and so far for the normal dresses for the ladies we have some daily wear dresses also got, and to attend the wedding for the party wear dresses we do have few kinds of outfits.
So Musab, can we go to head to check your addresses step by step? First,
sure.
First we go to head to check your party dresses. So can you show your audience so how you offer, how your prices is competitive in this market, because this shop is located in City One Plaza, first floor, shop lot number 1.18, first floor, City One Plaza, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. So can you coordinate your staff to can you bring your addresses to show your audience?
Sure, no problem. Here we are. So I can show you some dresses what you can
okay, use step by step. Yes.
Yeah. So first of all, you can see the wedding. This is the wedding dress. Here especially you can just get in Jobon Creation. Yeah, that's the good thing.
This dress is
especially for the bride.
Oh, that's why
it's a handmade outfit. Yeah. It's a handmade outfit, and the good thing is that you won't get in any other shop.
Oh,
yeah, there's the tail
that's
behind.
Amazing.
Yeah, there's a tail behind. There's a tail behind over here. You can see when the bride will walk. It's a long tail.
But Musab, I want to know and let you explain why they dress very heavy.
Actually, that's for the bride, and that's the when that's a good day for the bride. So she want to look precious at that day. So that's why it's heavy. We have some lighter weight also. It's depend on the customer actually. So yeah.
This all project and production have done with hand.
Yeah, that's all handmade. We do have the stonework also. We do have handmade also. We have some few kinds of things. So you can get the good opportunity here if you will come. So you can get more choices with the handwork, with the machine work, with the zari work. We have few kinds of work here.
So this price is
Actually, it's depend. We do have some, but you can get the reasonable price in our shop. We do have the lower range also, and we do have the max.
have some discount for your customers.
Yeah, definitely. You people do have the discount. Definitely, you will come here. You will get the good offer from us. That we want to see our customer again and again. It's not that.
Okay, let's move now. And
Yeah.
can you explain this dress?
Actually, that's the plazo suit. Yeah, that's to attend the wedding. If the customer want to attend the wedding, so they can wear this type of outfit. Yeah. So this is the top for the dress,
Oh,
and that's the bottom part.
Okay.
And here he will show you the shawl for that.
okay.
So and it's all come with the long sleeves. If the customer they do want the sleeves, so we can provide the tailoring here as well. So you can come here.
So you have a staff to
Yeah, we can do on the spot for you all.
For- for stitching or everything.
Yeah, everything we can do on the spot. So
okay. Let's move on.
And
So next is that one is this one.
actually, it's a wedding lacha dress.
wedding lacha dress.
Yeah, wedding lacha dress.
Wedding lacha dress.
Yeah,
This is
you can
wedding
see
lacha
the
dress.
back and the front.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the difference before you show me? And
Actually, this type of thing mostly the people they will wear for the engagement. So at least this type of dresses they can wear for any other occasion also. And it's a light dress as compared to the first one I showed you.
so this is not like before that dress is very
Yeah,
heavy.
that was for the wedding reception actually,
okay.
and that's you can wear for the engagement and any other things if you are attending a very big event. So you can wear something like this type of.
So
dress.
what do you think? Customer, your customer is a very specific customer, okay, because your specific, choices here, like a bridal or party dresses. So what's the feedback from customer?
Actually, now before that it was just the Indian and it was just the Punjabi customer. But now we can see that there are few Malay customer who they have the wedding groups with the Indians and the Punjabi. So they people invite them to their wedding. So now we have a very good feedback from our Malay customer as well and from the Chinese customer as well. So now we have a majority in
So
Malaysia
you're
right now.
covering and introduce your products with local community like
Yeah,
Chinese
sure.
and all.
Yeah, sure. They people also do. They like this type of stuff actually. Now because
But
are
they
first
have
year.
a different
They have the
method.
different culture. They have each and everything. It's different. But the only the thing is that they have to wear just for once. But they will wear for those people.
Well, I don't think so. They wear like these heavy dresses. I don't think.
They won't wear these type of outfit, but they can wear. As I showed to you that I have the dresses who you can attend the wedding.
Okay, first this one. This one can
Yeah, I can take it out there from the cover. That's for the men. That's the men's sherwani. Yeah, for the wedding day, for the wedding reception. Yeah, that's also
so
handmade.
can we show to our audience?
Yeah, sure.
So and your customer also, so you can.
And
see
the
this
good thing
for-
is this, in the sherwani you can get the sizes till the last. We have size 50 also available. From 38 to 50 we have the sizes.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is for groom.
Yeah.
This is for.
That's for the groom actually, for the wedding reception.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the price is also.
Yeah, it's depend on the embroidery. That if we have the lower embroidery also, we have the higher. It's all depend. The
Also,
price
you
is-
import from where?
that's all from India actually, India, Bombay.
Yeah. Bombay. So mostly your customer from India and Punjabi, yeah?
Yeah.
India and Pakistan also.
Yeah, we do have in the vacation the people come across from the overseas. We do have the customer from America. We do have the customer from Canada. Even though from the China also we have the customer now. Yeah, from the Europe we have some. The regular customer who they will come here on the vacation once in a year. They will
So
come.
how long you are doing business here?
From last 2000 we are here almost 20 years now. Yeah.
So long time for you to visit here, yeah?
Yeah, we are getting a good feedback from the customer.
So
That's why we are
anything
here.
special to you want to show to your audience right now?
The good thing is that we have some right now the pastel lehengas in the trend right now. Yeah.
We are just watching this one.
Yeah, that's now the pastel color in fashion. Now the 2020 or the brides is the light colors. Yeah, so they are going for the light colors, and that's the sequence work. All over here is sequence work. Yeah, handmade, and it's on the Kashmiri silk material. We do have in the net also now. We do have in the raw silk also. We do have in the Kashmiri silk also. And the good thing is that we have in the velvet. We have so much of choices. Yeah, in the velvet material you can get so much choices in our shop especially.
So, your mostly customer feedback about your shop, your customer services. I want to show this shop to your customers also, your audience, because I just want to tell audience, this is the shop where you easily get Punjabi suits, bridal suits, and wedding suits and party suits from this shop. So, last Musab, you are Musab.
Yeah.
Musab.
Yeah.
So, I'm sorry. So, but what is your last message for your customers, your audience? And because we are now here in your shop, so this your message is go ahead to all over the Malaysia.
Yeah, I can tell to the audience here in Malaysia, I can tell to the all over that if you will come to this shop, you don't need to go to other shop, because the thing is that you can get the wedding outfit here for the women, for the men, for the bridesmaid you can get here. And the good thing is that for the moms, if the bride is getting married, for the mom, if you want any outfit, for the sister, for the brother, we have the normal kurta also, we have the sarees also, and we have the Kashmiri sarees, we have the stonework sarees, we have the handmade sarees, and in the material also, for the mostly the Punjabi people, they will wear the material for their wedding. So we have such kind of materials here for the normal wear, for the wedding dresses. In the material we do have few choices here, so you can come anytime, and it's a good opportunity for all of you that we are here bringing the stuff from India to Malaysia to give you the easy way, so you can come here and just grab whatever you want.
Okay, thank you very much for being with us, and please viewers subscribe our YouTube channel SM Abbas, and thank you very much to joining us here.